Run, I gotta run. Come on, baby. I'm the papa. I'm the papa. Quick chance at this. After coming to terms with a few life-changing and life-threatening events, I decided to look at life in a whole new way. I decided money and jobs weren't going to dictate the type of person I wanted to be. So I started living out my dreams from a kayak. My name is Ray Gentry. Join me as I explore what real life has to offer. Welcome to Inshore Yaker TV.
It's a beast! Oh my God! Look at that giant! Dude, this thing is huge!
Rain this morning. The roughest flow we're gonna have all week. You ready? Let's get it. You survived today. You survived all week. Once you guys go through, like you see where these are building up here?
Yeah.
Like just kind of beeline to the group.
Gotcha.
Let's go. Adam, what do you think after this? Alright guys, here we are. Freaking Los Buzos, baby. That set was pretty intense. And we made it. I think this is gonna be the worst set of waves that we're gonna have all week. Weather's supposed to clear up, and we're looking forward to hooking up on some of these freaking giants. We're here for 5 days. Robert Field is here. Awesome dude, guys. Y'all have to check out his channel. Field trips, freaking awesome. But see what we can do about getting on some of these fish. See y'all in a minute.
So for the last couple of years, I've been listening to Robert Field talk about how it's not just the fishing that makes for an amazing experience. It's the people you meet, it's the experiences you have on the water. And I can assure you that these massive whales definitely contributed to my amazing experience in Panama. So the first thing on our agenda is to catch bait. And catching bait here, oh my God, it's a lot of fun. Wait till you see how hard these fish actually fight. Fish on, baby. Fish on the XPS. Perfect bait. Now let's see if the big boys want to play.
Roger that, when you have a second.
The thing I'll say about Los Buzos is when the action turns on, you better pay attention to your rods because it's not long before you get a hookup.
And the awkward silence. This is Ray, I just got an eat. I can't tell yet. Yeah. Yeah, it's fish. That's what I'm talking about, guys. Think it's a small rooster. I think so. I saw silver. Might be a jack. Oh, I think it's a big trevally. Yeah. Oh, African pompano. Pompano. Woo. I don't even know where to put my rod or anything. Dude, is this an African pompano? Because it doesn't have the long fins and everything. It looks like it.
After some careful examination, this fish was actually determined to be a diamond trevally. Just as the weather starts to turn, this happens.
Oh! Hit! Oh, got him! There we go. It's got some weight to him too. Oh no!
Can't win them all, I guess.
Well, we got day 3. Much different scenario. We actually see the sun this morning, and I've got high hopes for today.